Racing Junk Classifieds. You know, they are the official buy-sell partner of Drag Drive Repeat and your go-to destination for everything from race cars to trailers, engines, and more. So since we're running a little late today, I've only got one that I'm going to show, but it is a new one. We had a few new ones pop up since the last show. So today we have a 1981 Chevy El Camino for a fair price of only $11,500. So not bad.
It's like Mullet's little brother.
Right.
Maybe second cousin.
Yeah, let's go that. This one's a little newer than that one. This one is in Texas here. It's a 355 small block Chevy, solid roller cam, Vortec heads, ported with roller rockers, Edelbrock intake, and 850 Holly. You can see all kinds of stuff here. It's got C-clip eliminators. It's been lowered 3 inches, fresh paint, 4-wheel disc brakes, new wiring, aluminum dash, racing seats with 5-point harnesses. Nearly new tires. It's licensed and inspected with a clean Texas title.
Jeff Kirchhoff, you kill me. It's kissing cousins with Mullet. That's awesome. Yep. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal, I feel like. You're going to change some gears out if you're going to take that thing on a drag and drive, though. Unless you want to drive 55 miles an hour.
Yeah. It's got a number on here, so you can see it's been raced before. It's TX33. So they've done some racing with it. I don't know what kind of racing or anything, but yeah, not a bad looking car there. It'd be a good project for somebody to get in. And I'd like to say it's close to Sick Week, but it's not. So unfortunately, you'd have a little bit of a drive if you wanted to fly down to Texas and drive this thing over, but is it impossible?
Man, what a great option there. I want to show this real quick from Vinny Barbone. He just sent this over on Facebook Messenger real quick.
Sean saying probably a month or so I'll have my 79 4-door Fairmont for sale.
Nice. Yeah. Racing Junk Classifieds, drag cars, drag and drive cars underneath that. So look at this drive shaft. This is on the Sam Squatch.
What drive shaft?
Yeah, right. He said that this next photo, no, different way. That was behind the scenes stuff before. 23 inches tail to yoke. So he said it's probably a total of 16 to 18 inches of drive shaft is all it will be.
Wow.
Dude, that's crazy.
That's so short.
Man, that is insane. It's pretty cool. Thanks everybody for making the comments. Thanks for the messages. Derek Putnam sending over stuff, Vinny Barbone. I do want to show this real quick. Hold on. Aaron with Fast Ranger Motorsports in here. We talked about his surgery the other day. Dude, Pretty impressive, man. Glad you're okay. That's insane. That is insane. Said he's back, ready to do some racing here pretty quick. So we obviously know that truck, stick shift, 800 horsepower worth of nitrous in a Ranger, extended cab Ranger. So pretty crazy.
Yep. Here, Paige saying, where do we find who won a free ticket? So we can cover that real quick once again for those that might have missed it. The first Summit Racing ticket was number 323, Nick Schaff. The second one from Summit was number 39, Tim Taylor. The Molly Motorsports ticket was number 566, David Lips, and the driven ticket was number 164, Tony Fitzjohn. So again, congratulations to all of those winners.
Yep. And of course, we are going to have the Racing for the Race Car Friends membership group entry for the circuit and Rocky Mountain Race Week 1.0. We will do those this week before registration opens on Friday. So I've been talking to Matt Frost about when he can maybe schedule a time to get us that he could be on with us. And if he can't, hey, we'll do it. We'll give away that one for free as well. And then got a message from Buckeye Skips the other day with their registration day. I think they're opening registration February 10th. So we'll do a giveaway on that ticket. We have 10 entries to give away before events open in 2026. It's pretty awesome. So
absolutely.
Yeah, man, what a crazy show. Dude, should we just make this show an hour and a half? Golly, I feel like we ran through some stuff pretty quick and there's so much news. Guys, I'll ask for the folks that are here, if you have news for us, don't make us go get it. Send it to us. Send me or send Eric a message. Let us know what's going on with your car. Let us know what's going on with your build. Let us know what's going on with you, man. We want to know. We want to be able to tell these things in the community segment.
What's really funny is if you go back to our very first news shows, we were only doing 30 minutes.
Dude, I don't know how we did it.
And then we bumped 30 minutes. We're like, we should probably do an hour. And now here we are saying we're
Do we-
over an hour.
Yeah, do we go? I mean, because like I already have notes for Wednesday's show for stuff that I couldn't put in this week, on the news. So who knows? I don't know. It's pretty crazy. So guys, again, we need your help. We need those news stories. Send them to us. Send them to the Drag Drive Repeat page. Send them to the circuit. Send them to wherever you're watching this. Let us know. Make comments on YouTube. Tell us what's going on. We see everything. We're not too cool to not look at every comment that comes in.
Right.
All right, man. Send us out, dude. Or well, here, real quick, before we do that, what are you getting into this weekend? What are you doing today?
Probably not a whole lot. So living here in Northern Illinois, it was just 59 degrees like
2 days ago?
yesterday, 2 days ago. There's no snow on the ground. And as I look out the window right now, it's snowing.
Oh,
So, I have no clue what
nice.
today is going to bring. But again, for me today, all those guys that know me, sports ball, Bears, Packers. So gonna hit the store, gonna cook up some good food, and probably just
Oh,
gonna
man.
hang out today. I'm gonna work on some more of the 6 summer photos, so I have a few more of those to drop today, and then really today's gonna be a hangout day.
That's awesome, man. I'm gonna spend some time in the shop this morning. I'm gonna be out here getting the trailer ready. I'm bringing a trailer with all the race car friends stuff, all the merch, all the tents, all the tables, all that kind of stuff. So I'm building out the trailer now to hold all that stuff. And then Steven has a golf cart that I'm going to pick up for measuring, but he's not feeling well today. So I'm going to stay away from him because I don't need to get sick.
Right.
So I'm going to make some stuff here at the house and just kind of play around. So maybe end up doing some burnouts in the old truck.
Hey, I like it.
Yeah. What's Chad saying? I'm still fighting the car and it's still got an oil leak. After paying a rear main seal replacement. After 6 week, we're dropping the trans and checking the oil, galley, and cam plugs. Gross. That sucks. That's what. Go ahead and read that one.
Dean plans to look like the Tin Man by the end of the day, grinding on the floorboards, frames, and cutting more.
Golly, that's crazy. And then Chad says Drag Week may see the Duster again instead of the Demon. That was one of our favorite cars of Drag Week, man. The cylinder, all the fun stuff.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
Yep. All right, guys. Thanks a bunch. We appreciate it. Dude, you'll see us out.
Absolutely.
And hey, he'll root forever who he wants to, even if it is the Bears.
You got to living this close to Chicago, right?
Yeah.
All right. Once again, we've had tons and tons of comments tonight. It's been so awesome. I actually struggled keeping up with them a few times. So appreciate everybody that was in here making comments. Appreciate all of our race car friends. Can't wait to see all the photos that you're going to get and see all the interviews of people that you're going to talk to here in 21 days and 20 hours at Sick Week. And again, all of our sponsors, can't do this without them. So again, thank you to Summit Racing Equipment, Deechworks, Molly Motorsports, Driven Racing Oil, Howard's Cam, J-Wire Solution, AFCO Racing Products, Performabuilt Transmission, Car Chains 3D, Power Tube TV, WAF Racing, Sweet Patina, and Racing Junk. Everybody have a great weekend, and we will see you on Wednesday night for the show.
Yep. All right, guys. See y'all.